Being out in the mountains, it doesn't limit us. It gives us an opportunity to elevate dishes and deliver an experience that's really refined. I am Chef Rob Fierro. I'm the chef de cuisine here at Saddle Peak Lodge in Calabasas. Saddle Peak is in a pretty unique location. Really beautiful kind of canyon mountain terrain. You never know when you're gonna find a deer on the patio, which is always kind of fun. You get away from the city, which is nice. You can hear the birds, you can see waterfalls in the hills when you're driving. That's the big draw for us, is we're a mile away, but we're 100 miles away at the same time. We have such an opportunity where we are to bring fresh, local, vibrant produce or meats from just these farmers where we know their names. And I think it's a disservice to them and it's a disservice to our guests if we don't try and find the best product. Being able to test it and taste it, it changes your perception. Biting into a fresh strawberry or a fresh set of blueberries, it's just so different from seeing it at the store. It's like having a farmer's market every day. I love being a chef because it's tactile. Putting your hands on stuff and being able to feel the firmness and feel the textures of things. It's really cool to be able to use freshness and brightness and flavor and acidity and sweetness. It makes a big difference being able to see it firsthand and really appreciate how much effort goes into it from start to finish. It's important to us to find a new way to try and open up flavors and elevate dishes that way. The history we have here it's so far back. I mean, the building's been here for over 100 years. The old country kind of lodge vibe really lets us lean into the game stuff that we do, whether it's elk or buffalo. It gives us the opportunity to be different. You can get a great steak at a lot of places. There's fewer places where you can get a really great piece of elk. We do the tenderloin on the elk. It's just super lean, super clean. It's exciting for us to be able to have someone have their first bite of elk with us. That's an opportunity for us to really create memories that people are gonna appreciate and really remember. When we're able to really elevate dishes and make it really clean, classic, kind of gives that rugged to refined kind of feel. People see where we are and kind of what the vibe or the ambiance is, and they think, meat and potatoes. It gives us an opportunity to really deliver an experience that's effortless in its design. The guest can bite into a plate of food and really feel like there's some passion and some love behind it, then I think we've done our job.